GE3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory, exercise number 9C, longest word in a file. There will be so many words in particular file. We want to find the longest word. Let's see the lab exercise. Exercise number 9C, implementing real-time or technical applications using file handling, that is longest word in a file. A. To write a Python program to find longest word in a file. Algorithm. Step 1, start. Step 2, read the file. Step 3, split the word using split off function. This split off function is very important. It is splitted all the words. From that only we are going to compare all the words. Then we can find the maximum length of the word. So step 4, compare all the words in a file. Step 5, find the maximum length. Step 6, print the longest word. Step 7, stop the program. First, start from the main function. Print longest words of. It is aa.txt. The file name is passed here. So after seeing this longest words, it will move where it is defined. This function. So def is a keyword. It's used to define any functions. So longest words of file name is passed as a parameter. Next with open of file name, comma, it's a R mode, and it is assigned as a alias, that is a in file. Okay, fully we can't print each and every time, so it is assigned. Then words equal to in file dot read off dot split off. After reader it will be splitted. Okay, then max length is equal to, based on the len of function, we use here len of function, then inside that max of function. Maximum by comparing with the words, and key is equal to len, the length. Okay, then written word for word in words, that is how many words. If len of word equal to maximum length, it will return. Okay, so you will get the output, that is engineering. In the file we have the Grace College of Engineering. From that the maximum length is engineering, no? So that is taken. Let's see the execution part in Python. Before doing this execution, first you want to create a file. Inside the Python, I have created a text file. The content is Grace College of Engineering. Okay, first you want to create the text file, because we are going to access from the file. From the file we are going to find the longest word. Okay, here itself you can know that is Grace College of Engineering. Here you can compare it. Engineering is a longest word. Okay, let's see the output, how we can create a file. Then move to the start. Next type ideally, enter. Ideally shell is opened. Here click file, new file. You can start typing. After type the program, click file, save. You can save the file. Give the file name, given long, then click save. After saved, click run module. So engineering is the output, you got it. Okay, thus we have executed this program successfully. We got the correct output, right? Result. Thus the Python program using file handling was written and executed successfully. I hope you all understood the concept, how to find the longest word in a file, how to create a file, and how to execute, how to write the Python program. After that you want to execute that filing. Thank you all.